Is your lawn ready for an upgrade? The Agri-Fab spreader review. Tired of uneven fertilizer distribution? We're diving deep into the Agri-Fab 450463 toe-behind broadcast spreader to see if it's the solution for a perfectly manicured lawn. The Agri-Fab 450463 is a 130 lb capacity toe-behind broadcast spreader. It's designed for homeowners, gardeners, and farmers who need to efficiently spread seed, fertilizer, salt, or ice melt. This spreader aims to make lawn care easier and more effective. This model features an easy-to-use flow control accessible from the seat of your riding lawnmower. This allows for precise adjustments and even distribution. It's built to cover large areas quickly and consistently. The 130 lb hopper can cover approximately 1 per 2 acre, $25,000 security territory in a single fill. This reduces the need for frequent refills, saving you time and effort. The 10 to 12 FT spread width ensures efficient coverage. It boasts 13 to X4 pneumatic tires for smooth operation on various terrains. The fully enclosed gear house protects the gears from debris, extending the life of the spreader. The universal hitch makes it compatible with most lawn tractors. With an average rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from nearly 3,000 reviews, it's a popular choice. Many users praise its sturdy build and efficient spreading capabilities. Some users have noted assembly can be time-consuming. One verified purchaser on Amazon praised the product's sturdy build and reasonable price. Another user highlighted its ability to handle 2 acres of fertilizer. However, some users have reported issues with missing parts or unclear assembly instructions. Some users have reported that the open-close lever is not easily reachable from all mower seats. Assembly can take a couple of hours, and the instructions may not be perfectly clear. A few users have experienced issues with the durability of certain components. Despite these drawbacks, the majority of users seem satisfied with the spreader's performance. The product is made in the USA and comes with a 3-year limited warranty. The Agri-Fab 450463 is a solid choice for those needing to spread materials over large areas. Its large capacity, ease of use, and durable construction make it a worthwhile investment. Ready to upgrade your lawn care routine? Check out the Agri-Fab 450463 on Amazon for the latest price and availability. Don't forget to read the latest customer reviews to make an informed decision. Click the link in the description to get started.